In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best VFD inverters available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the VFD inverters list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the VFD inverters mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, General 380V 3-phase 7.5 kW 18 kW VFD variable frequency drive. Built for robust industrial environments, the General 380V 3-phase VFD variable frequency drive offers a substantial power range from 7.5 kW to 18 kW. Tailored for 380V 3-phase systems, it is particularly well suited for applications involving fans and water pumps. This VFD ensures efficient and reliable speed control, making it a dependable solution for demanding industrial settings where high-powered motor control is paramount. Number 4, ZW CT1 1.5 kW/2.2 kW VFD Inverter. The ZW CT1 1.5 kW/2.2 kW VFD Inverter is a compact and efficient solution for variable frequency drive applications. Supporting power outputs of 1.5 kW and 2.2 kW, this inverter is designed with 3-phase input and 220V/380V output, ensuring stability and adjustability. Its versatility and small footprint make it suitable for various applications, providing precise frequency conversion for optimal motor performance. Number 3, Sako 0.75 kW 5.5 kW VFD Variable Frequency Drive Converter. The Sako VFD Variable Frequency Drive Converter offers a flexible solution for motor speed control, accommodating power options from 0.75 kW to 5.5 kW. Supporting both 220V and 380V inputs, this converter is adaptable to various motor specifications, ranging from 4 kW to 1.5 kW. With its versatile design and reliable performance, the Sako VFD is a go-to choice for applications demanding precision and efficiency in motor control. Number 2, 0.75 kW 5.5 kW VFD Inverter for CNC Machines. Specifically engineered for CNC machines, this VFD inverter supports power ranges from 0.75 kW to 5.5 kW. With AC input compatibility of 220V/380V and 3-phase input-output, it ensures optimal performance for spindle motors. The variable frequency drive not only enhances efficiency but also contributes to the precision and accuracy required in CNC machining processes. Its robust design and advanced features make it a valuable component in the realm of computer numerical control. Number 1, SUSWE 323 kW VFD Inverter. The SUSWE 323 kW VFD Inverter is a high-performance frequency drive designed for industrial applications. With a power capacity of 3 kW, it offers versatile motor speed control, accommodating both 2.2 kW and 5.5 kW output frequencies. This VFD is compatible with 3-phase systems, providing options for 220V and 380V inputs. The SUSWE 320 is known for its reliability and adaptability, making it suitable for a wide range of industrial settings where precise motor control is essential.